Good morning students. Welcome to ALPHORES e-learning botany classes. In yesterday's session, we started types of fleshy fruits. We discussed up to drupe, right? Now go for the next one. What is sir? Ballasta, right? Sir, for ballasta, example is a pomegranate. What is the example for ballasta? Pomegranate. Pomegranate. Sir, what is the scientific name of pomegranate, sir? Punica. Punica granatum. Punica granatum or Punica granatum. Anar bolte na, right? Therefore, sir, pomegranate. Sir, do you saw this pomegranate fruit? On fruit, you are going to see a crown of sepals. What, sir? Crown of sepals. Sir, this crown of sepals, nothing but persistent calyx. What it is, sir? It is a persistent calyx. It is a persistent calyx. What it is, sir? Persistent calyx. Therefore, sir, you can see persistent calyx in the case of ballasta as well as in the case of berry also. Berry is associated with persistent calyx. Okay, right. Sir, ballasta is also associated with persistent calyx. Sir, this persistent calyx is crown of sepals. Okay, crown of sepals in the case of ballasta. It is in the form of crown of sepals in the case of ballasta. What? Persistent calyx. Therefore, in case of ballasta, the persistent calyx is present like crown of what, sir? Sepals. Sir, in pomegranate, that is in the case of ballasta, right, pericarp is hard. How the pericarp is? Pericarp is hard. And we are not going to eat the pericarp. Therefore, pericarp is edible, not edible. Pericarp is not edible. Pericarp is not edible. Sir, if you see pomegranate, in case of pomegranate, this endocarp is paper-like and it is going to divide the fruit into chambers. See pomegranate fruit. Inside the fruit, you can see many chambers. And in between the chambers, white layer will be. There is nothing but endocarp. Therefore, endocarp paper-like. Therefore, endocarp, it's papery. Endocarp is papery and it divides. And it divides fruit. And it divides fruit into what's our chambers. Therefore, divides fruit into chambers. Therefore, ballasta is a which fruit, sir? Chambered fruit. Ballasta is a chambered fruit. Sir, in case of ballasta, what are edible, sir? In case of ballasta, seeds are edible. What are edible, sir? Seeds are edible. Sir, seed means with how many parts? Two parts. Seed coat and embryo. Seed coat and embryo. Sir, that seed coat, outer layer called testa, that is edible. That is juicy, that is fleshy. In the case of what? Ballasta. Therefore, in case of ballasta, right, testa. Testa means it is outer layer of what, sir? Seed coat. Outer layer of seed coat. It is juicy and succulent, nothing but fleshy. Is this statement okay? Right. This is concerned to ballasta, right? Go for the last one. What it is, sir? Amphisarca. What it is? Amphisarca. Sir, in case of amphisarca, the epicarp is woody. How the epicarp is, sir? Epicarp is woody. Sir, in case of amphisarca, mesocarp, what, sir? Mesocarp, endocarp and placenta are edible. mesocarp, endocarp and placenta are edible. Mesocarp, endocarp and placenta are edible in the case of Amphisarca. Sir, what are the examples for Amphisarca, sir? First one is Agils. Agils, right? Sir, we discussed this Agils in trifoliate compound leaves. Trifoliate compound leaves. Sir, Agils means wood apple. What, sir? Wood apple. Wood apple. And second example is Feronia. What is, sir? Feronia. Feronia means elephant apple. What is, sir? Elephant apple. Right? With this, we completed fleshy fruits. Right? Sir, simple fruits are of two types, I told. Simple fruits. Based on nature of pericarp, simple fruits are of two types now. What are they? First one is fleshy fruits, we completed. Second one is dry fruits. At the time of ripening, the pericarp is dry. At the time of ripening, the pericarp is dry. That's why these are called dry fruits. How the pericarp is dry? Dry pericarp. Sir, dry pericarp is not differentiated into epicarp, mesocarp and endocarp. Therefore, dry pericarp is undifferentiated, not differentiated into epicarp, mesocarp and endocarp. Okay, right? Therefore, sir, at the time of ripening, when, sir, at the time of ripening, at the time of what? Ripening. Okay, pericarp is dry. Pericarp is dry. Okay, right? Sir, it means which pericarp this is? Dry pericarp. Dry pericarp. Is it differentiated? No, dry pericarp is undifferentiated. Undifferentiated. It means this dry pericarp is not differentiated. Not differentiated. It's not differentiated into epicarp, mesocarp and endocarp. Differentiated, not differentiated. Not differentiated into epicarp, mesocarp and endocarp. Sir, fruit means seeds should be. Sir, dry fruits, they should contain seeds, no? The seeds are liberated. Seeds are liberated either by dehiscence of the fruit or by disintegration of pericarp. Okay, therefore, in case of what, sir? Dry fruits, seeds are liberated. Seeds are liberated. Seeds are liberated by dehiscence of fruit. Seeds are liberated by dehiscence of fruit or by disintegration of pericarp. Or by disintegration of what, sir? Pericarp. Therefore, in case of dry fruits, in case of what, sir? Dry fruits, seeds are liberated. How, sir? By dehiscence, means break. By the dehiscence of fruit or by disintegration of what, sir? Pericarp. Right? Sir, we are discussing which fruits, sir? Dry fruits. These dry fruits are of three types. Dry fruits are of how many types? Three types. Dry fruits are of three types. What are these three types of dry fruits? Number one. First one is dry dehiscent fruits. Dry dehiscent fruits. Dry dehiscent fruits. Second one is dry indehiscent fruits. Dry indehiscent. Dry indehiscent fruits. And third one is schizocarpic fruits. Schizocarpic fruits. Okay, therefore dry fruits are of how many types? Three types. What are they? Dry dehiscent fruits, dry indehiscent fruits and schizocarpic fruits. Go for the first one. What it is? Dry dehiscent fruits, right? Dry dehiscent fruits. Name itself indicates. It means the fruit dehisces, means fruit breaks, and then seed comes out. Okay. Therefore, seeds are liberated by dehiscence of the fruit. Seeds are liberated. Seeds are liberated by what, sir? Dehiscence. Dehiscence means break. By dehiscence of a fruit. It means when the fruit dehisces, what are liberated? Seeds are liberated. Sir, these dry dehiscent fruits are of 5 types. Dry dehiscent fruits are of how many types? Dry dehiscent fruits are of 5 types. What are they? First one, number 1, legume. What is the first one? Legume. Second one is follicles. Follicles. Third one is silicula. What is, sir? Silicula. Fourth one is siliqua. What is, sir? Siliqua. Fifth one is capsule. What is, sir? Capsule. Therefore, legume, follicles, silicula, right? Siliqua, capsule. All these are which fruits, sir? These are dry dehiscent fruits. It means in all this, seeds are liberated after dehiscence of the fruit. Okay. What are these 5 types of dry dehiscent fruits, sir? Legume, follicles, silicula, siliqua, capsule. Okay. Go for the first one. What is, sir? Legume. Go for legume. Right. Sir, this legume, it is developed from monocarpellary gynoecium with superior ovary. Therefore, developed from where, sir? Developed from monocarpellary. Developed from monocarpellary gynoecium. Developed from monocarpellary gynoecium with what, sir? With superior ovary. With which ovary, sir? Superior ovary. Sir, we are discussing what, sir? Legume, right? Legume is a type of which fruit, sir? Dry dehiscent fruit. Dry dehiscent fruit means the fruit has to dehisce, right? Now listen here. Sir, for example, this is a legume, sir. What is this one, sir? Legume. This is a legume. For example, this is a dorsal suture, sir. This is which suture, sir? Dorsal suture. This is ventral suture, sir. Therefore, dorsal suture, ventral suture. Okay, right. Now see here. Legume dehisces from apex to base vertically on dorsal suture and ventral suture. See here. Sir, it is dehissing from where to where, sir? It is dehissing from apex to base. See here. From apex to base it is dehissing. Is it dehissing horizontally? No, it is dehissing vertically. On which suture? Dorsal and ventral suture. Is it okay? Right? Therefore, legume. Right? Therefore, legume dehisces. Dehisces means nothing but breaks, right? Dehisces vertically. Dehisces vertically. Dehisces vertically, right? From where to where, sir? From apex to base. From apex to base. Dorsi-ventrally. It means dorsal suture, ventral suture. Dorsi-ventrally. Dorsi-ventrally. Sir, if you see the diagram of this legume, should be very careful. This is after dehiscence. This is after dehiscence. This is after dehiscence. See. Sir, all these are seeds. What are all these, sir? They are seeds. Then what is this one, sir? This is pericarp. This is pericarp. Now see the diagram. Sir, this legume If you see this fruit after dehiscence, right, it is what shape, sir? V shaped. Therefore legume after dehiscence, after what, sir? After dehiscence, it is what shaped, sir? Legume is V shaped, and after dehiscence, when, sir? After dehiscence, this pericarp is twisted. What is twisted? Pericarp is twisted. Therefore after dehiscence, pericarp is twisted. What is twisted? Pericarp is twisted. Now go for examples of legume. Sir, examples of legume, Fabaceae family. Which family, sir? Fabaceae family, except groundnut. Fabaceae family except what, sir? Groundnut. Sir, for Fabaceae family, I am writing some examples. First one is pea, second one is bean, B-E-A-N, bean. Sir, for bean I am writing the scientific name. Dolichus. Dolichus lab. Okay. Therefore, for legume, example, Fabaceae family. Okay. Sir, which family, sir? Fabaceae family except groundnut. Okay, right? Sir, for Fabaceae family examples, pea and bean. What and what, sir? Pea and bean. Sir, this legume fruit is also called as pod, P-O-D. What is another name for legume, sir? Pod, right? Go for the second one. What, sir? Follicles, right? Sir, in calotrophes, milkweed I told, remembered? What it is? Milkweed, madar plant. Sir, in case of this calotrophes, paired follicles are present. P-A-I-R, pair follicles are present. It means paired follicles are present. Therefore, in calotrophes, what are present, sir? Paired follicles. Paired follicles are present. Okay. Sir, in case of calotrophes, the gynoecium is bicarpellary. Gynoecium is what, sir? Bicarpellary. It means gynoecium is having how many carpels? 2 carpels, bicarpellary gynoecium. Okay. Sir, this calotrophes, I am saying follicles. Follicle is a type of dry dehiscent fruit. It means at maturity the fruit has to dehisce. Sir, follicles dehisces. What, sir? Follicles dehisces vertically on ventral suture from apex to base. Therefore, at maturity, follicles means dry dehiscent fruit only, no, have to dehisce. Follicles dehisces. How, sir? Dehisces vertically on ventral suture. On which suture, sir? Ventral suture. From where to where? From apex to base. From where to where, sir? From apex to base. Is this statement okay? Sir, what is this one, sir? Follicle. Sir, follicles, they are developed from superior ovary. Follicles, they are developed from which ovary? Superior ovary. Sir, superior ovary means which flower, sir? Hypogynous flower. Superior ovary means which flower, sir? Hypogynous flower. Sir, this legume, I already told, developed from superior ovary. Superior ovary means which type of flower here also? Hypogynous flower. Sir, in case of calotrophes, in case of what, sir? Calotrophes. In case of calotrophes, In case of Calotrophes, if you see the seeds are with hair. Okay, sir, these hairs carry the seeds from one place to another place through wind. Therefore, hairs helps in dispersal of seeds through wind. In which plant? Calotrophes. Therefore, in Calotrophes, what sir? Hairs helps in seed dispersal. Dispersal means moving from one place to another place. Seed dispersal through wind. Seed dispersal through what sir? Wind. Seed dispersal through wind. Right? Siliqua. Go for Siliqua first. Then we will discuss about Silicula. Okay? Right. Sir, this Siliqua, this fruit is long and narrow. How the fruit is, sir? This Siliqua fruit is long and narrow. It's long and narrow. Long and narrow. Okay. Sir, this Siliqua fruit, right, it is developed from bicarpellary, bilocular gynoecium. Bicarpellary bilocular gynoecium with superior ovary. With which ovary, sir? With superior ovary. Sir, ovary superior means which type of flower, sir? It is hypogynous flower. Which type of flower, sir? Hypogynous flower. Sir, we are discussing Siliqua. Siliqua is a type of dry dehiscent fruit. Yes or no? It's a type of what? Dry dehiscent fruit. It means at maturity the fruit has to dehisce. Sir, this fruit Siliqua, it dehisces vertically. Dehisces vertically, both dorsal suture and ventral suture, from base to apex. From where to where, sir? From base to apex. That's why after dehiscence, if you see the fruit, it is inverted V shape. The fruit is what shape? Inverted V shape. Sir, where the seeds are? The seeds remains on rhiplum. Where the seeds are present on the rhiplum. Remembered, rhiplum. Rhiplum means false septa. What is the meaning of rhiplum, sir? False septa. What are these, sir? These are seeds. Okay. What is this one, sir? It's pericarp. Right. Therefore, Siliqua at maturity. At maturity, fruit, that is Siliqua, no? Siliqua dehisces. Okay, how, sir? Dehisces vertically. Dehisces vertically. Right. Vertically from where to where? From base to apex. Dorsiventrally. It means on dorsal suture as well as ventral suture. Dorsiventrally. Okay. Therefore, at maturity, the Siliqua dehisces, right, vertically from base to apex, dorsiventrally. Okay. Sir, this is Siliqua. What it is, sir? Siliqua. Where seeds are? Right. Seeds on rhiplum. Rhiplum means what, sir? False septa. Rhiplum means what, sir? False septa. False septa. Sir, examples for Siliqua present in most of the Brassicaceae members. What is the example for, right, Siliqua, sir? Most of the Brassicaceae members. Most of the Brassicaceae. Most of the Brassicaceae members. Most of the Brassicaceae members. Sir, best example for Siliqua is mustard. Mustard. Okay, M-U-S-T-A-R-D. Mustard. Therefore, sir, do all members of Brassicaceae shows Siliqua? No. right? Most of the Brassicaceae members, they are showing siliqua. One of the Brassicaceae member, mustard, it shows siliqua. Okay, Brassica nigra, mustard, Brassica nigra, right? Sir, Brassicaceae, what is the previous name of Brassicaceae? Cruciferae, cruciferae. It got the name cruciferae based on shape of corolla. Based on what, sir? Shape of corolla. We read this statement in flower, right? Go for the next one. What is, sir? Silicula. Sir, this silicula, it is a short and broad siliqua. Short and broad siliqua. It means if siliqua fruit is short and broad, we are calling it as silicula. Therefore, silicula is a type of siliqua. Silicula is a type of what, sir? Siliqua. It's a type of siliqua. Okay, sir, I already told how siliqua dehisces vertically. Yes or no? Dorsiventrally, dorsal suture, ventral suture. From where to where, sir? From base to apex. Silicula also the same. Vertically it dehisces. Dorsiventrally it dehisces. It dehisces from base to apex. Okay, right? Sir, example for silicula, some members of Brassicaceae family. Some members of Brassicaceae family. Some members of Brassicaceae family. Okay, sir, what are that members, sir? Some members I told, no, of Brassicaceae. What are that members with silicula? Iberis. Iberis. Iberis means what? Candy tuft. We got in inflorescence. Candy tuft. T-U-F-T. Candy tuft. Second example is Capsella. What is, sir? Capsella. Sir, this Capsella is commonly called as a shepherd's purse. Shepherd's purse. Okay. Sir, this Capsella is a typical angiospermic plant. Who is called as a typical angiospermic plant, sir? Capsella is called as a typical angiospermic plant. Capsella is called as a typical angiospermic plant. With this, we completed silicula, right? Go for the last type of dry dehiscent fruit. What is, sir? Capsule. Sir, this capsule dehisces in different ways. Capsule dehisces. Capsule dehisces in different ways. Dehisces means breaks. It dehisces in different ways. Sir, in which way the capsule is dehiscing? The way in which the capsule dehisces, based on that capsule is of different types. Okay, therefore based on way of dehiscence, of capsule, based on the way in which the capsule is going to dehisce, capsule is of different types. Capsule is of different types. Capsule is of different types. Sir, what are the different types of capsules, sir? Number one, septicidal capsule. What is the first one, sir? Septicidal capsule. Second one is a loculicidal capsule. Loculicidal capsule. Loculicidal capsule. Third one is a septifragal capsule. What it is, sir? Septifragal capsule. Septifragal capsule. Okay. And next one is a poricidal capsule. Poricidal capsule. Sir, this poricidal capsule is also called as a porous capsule. What is another name for poricidal capsule, sir? Porous capsule, porous capsule. Sir, septicidal capsule name itself indicates capsule dehisces along the septa. Capsule dehisces along the septa. Therefore, dehisces. What, sir? Dehisces along the septa. Dehisces along the septa. Sir, loculicidal capsule. Okay, capsule dehisces in the middle of the locule. Therefore, dehisces. What, sir? Dehisces in the middle of the capsule. Dehisces in the middle of the locule of the capsule. Middle of the locule of the capsule. Here it is dehiscing along the septa. Here it is dehiscing in the middle of the locule of the capsule. Go for the next one. Septifragal capsule. It dehisces either along the septa or in the middle of the locule. Therefore, it dehisces either septicidally or loculicidally. Okay. Therefore, dehisces. Dehisces either along the septa or middle of locule. Middle of a locule. Therefore, dehisces either along the septa or middle of the locule. Go for the last one. What it is, sir? Poricidal capsule or porous capsule. Name itself indicates. Pores are formed in the apex of the capsule. Pores are formed where? In the apex of capsule. Pores are formed in the apex of a capsule. Pores are formed in the apex of capsule. That is poricidal or porous capsule, right? Septicidal capsule. Septicidal capsule. I am writing example. Gloriosa. Sir, this Gloriosa belongs to Liliaceae family. Belongs to Liliaceae family. Sir, loculicidal capsule. For loculicidal capsule, I am writing examples. First one is cotton. What it is, sir? Cotton. Gossypium, right? Gossypium. Gossypium. Sir, second example, lady's finger. What, sir? Lady's finger. Lady's finger. Third example is Allium cepa. What is the third example? Allium cepa. Therefore, cotton, lady's finger, Allium cepa, these three are examples for loculicidal capsule. Sir, in these three examples, cotton and lady's finger, these two comes under Malvaceae family. These two comes under Malvaceae family. Allium cepa, it comes under Liliaceae family. Allium cepa comes under Liliaceae family. Now go for the next one. What's our septifragal capsule? Septifragal capsule. Example is tobacco. What are the examples, sir? Tobacco. And second one is datura. Sir, in case of tobacco and datura, septifragal capsule is present. Even after dehiscence of the capsule, seeds remains on the central axis. Seeds remains on the central axis. Even after dehiscence of the capsule, there is fruit. Sir, this tobacco and datura, they comes under which family, sir? They comes under Solanaceae family. Comes under Solanaceae family. They comes under Solanaceae family. They comes under which family, sir? Solanaceae family, right? Comes under Solanaceae family. Now go for the last one. Sir, poricidal capsule or porous capsule. Example is opium. What are the example for poricidal capsule or porous capsule, sir? Opium. With this, we completed dry dehiscent fruits. In the next session, we will discuss about dry indehiscent fruits. Until then, stay home, stay safe, and keep on learning through ALPHORES e-learning. Thank you.